Hi, I'm Ivan Zoot. I am Clipper Guy, and this is the Fade Comb. We introduced the Fade Comb to Clipper Guy World just a few months ago, and I know you're loving them. Based on the sales numbers, based on the popularity of the item at trade shows, people are using the Fade Comb to create great fade haircuts quickly, simply, and easily. Let's explore the Fade Comb. It is wedge-shaped, 4-3-2-1-0. There's a tapered shape and a short handle. Unlike a clipper comb, you're going to hold it vertically with the handle in the vertical positioning. You're going to make a decision where you want to be up and down the head form. If that's a 2, if you want a low 2, you might come in here and zip it off. If you want a high 2, you might raise the comb up higher to move the 2 position higher up the head, and you would continue to gut out the area beneath it. The bevel at the top of the teeth here allows the teeth to continue to pick up hair even as they get longer, higher, and thicker. And the important thing to remember is once you make your positioning commitment, you simply keep the comb level and you simply cut up the comb, up the comb, up the comb. For longer lengths of hair beyond the 4, the comb can be beveled out, but ideally it is put into place, it is slid in, and you work your way up, working vertically around the head, creating a beautifully progressive, tapered, clippered shape using your Fade Comb. ClipperGuy.com on the web is where you go to get yours. We sell them solo, we sell them in a 2-pack, and we sell them in multi-comb packs with a variety of the other unique and creative combs that I have available at ClipperGuy.com. Get a Fade Comb, cut some fades. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.